In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Xero 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Xero and heading to the sign-in page. Click Login to bring up the sign-in form. Enter your email and password, then select Login again. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that prompt as usual. Make sure you're signing in with the user role that has payroll permissions, otherwise you won't see the options we're about to use. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, look for the payroll area in the main navigation. Click payroll, then choose employees to open your employee list. This is where all staff records live, and it's the best place to add someone new so everything connects to payroll properly. Start the process by selecting New Employee. Depending on your setup, you may also see an Add Employee button next. Go ahead and click that to open the employee form. Xero splits the form into clear sections so you can work through them efficiently. Begin with personal details. Enter the employee's legal name exactly as it appears on official documents and include other basics like date of birth if prompted. If you know the start date and job title, add them now so the profile is ready for scheduling and pay runs. Take a moment to double check spelling here. Accurate personal information helps with tax forms and reporting later. Move on to contact information. Add a primary email address for payslips and notifications, plus a current phone number and home address. If you're operating in multiple regions, ensure the address format matches your country's standards and use the correct postal code. A quick review of the email is worth it. Typos here can prevent your employee from receiving important updates. You'll also see an emergency contact section. This part is optional, but it's a good idea to fill it out. Add the person's name, relationship, and a reliable phone number. If you don't have these details on hand, you can skip it for now and come back later to complete it. When everything looks correct, click Save. Xero will create the employee profile and return you to the employee list. From here, you can continue setting up payroll items like tax information, bank details, and pay templates whenever you're ready. That's it. You've added an employee in Xero. Keep your entries accurate, store sensitive information securely, and you'll be set up for smooth payroll processing. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.